Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best transmission additive is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked maintenance items for your vehicle. In this video, we will explore the top-rated transmission additives available on the market, examining their unique benefits, and helping you choose the perfect additive to keep your transmission running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. And we will cover everything from improving shift quality and reducing wear to extending the overall lifespan of your transmission system. Number 5. Lucas Oil 10009 Transmission Fix. This product is the #1 transmission problem-solving additive. It's designed to help your transmission run smoother and last longer. It contains no harsh solvents, making it safe for your transmission. You can add it directly to your existing fluid without draining. It's effective in a high percentage of cases, helping to fix a variety of transmission issues. It's a simple solution to a complex problem. It provides extra protection for your planetary gears, extending the life of your transmission. This means less wear and tear on your vehicle. It can extend the life of your transmission fluid by up to 4 times. This means fewer fluid changes and more savings for you. It's a must-have for motorhomes and commercial vehicles that demand reliable transmission performance. It helps keep your vehicles on the road. What we like. It's the ultimate solution for fixing various transmission problems without the hassle of draining existing fluid. If you have a transmission that needs a boost, this is your go-to solution. If you are looking for an easy-to-use additive that extends the life of your transmission fluid, this product is for you. What people say. Lucas Oil 10009 Transmission Fix worked wonders for my car. I noticed smoother shifting and improved overall performance right after adding it. It's easy to use and helped fix the slipping problem I was experiencing. Great product for anyone looking to extend the life of their transmission. After adding it, the gears started shifting much smoother within a day or two. Easy to use, no leaks, and it gave my transmission a second life. I have a 2012 Impala. Ran trans fluid low. Added 3 QRTS. Once I noticed the transaction slipping. Added this product and within a few days, all the clunky shifting and slipping stopped totally. Love it. Number 4. XADO EX120 ATF Additive. This is XADO EX120, the ultimate solution for revitalizing your automatic transmission. It's designed to restore and protect metal parts, improving performance and extending the life of your gearbox. It rebuilds and restores worn metal components in your transmission. This helps reduce friction and wear, leading to smoother operation. Say goodbye to shuddering, slipping, and noise. It eliminates surface defects and protects against extreme heat, resulting in a quieter and more reliable transmission. Experience improved performance and reliability. It increases the overall efficiency and extends the service life of your transmission's control gears. It's universally compatible with various automatic transmission types, including CVT, Tiptronic, Manumatic, and semi-automatic transmissions. It's the perfect all-in-one solution. With XADO EX120, you're investing in the longevity and smooth operation of your vehicle's transmission. It's the smart choice for maintaining peak performance. What we like. This product goes beyond simple repair, it rebuilds and protects metal parts, extending the life of your transmission. If your transmission is shuddering or slipping, this additive is designed to solve those issues. If you need a universal solution compatible with various transmission types, this is the one for you. What people say. I had a CVT that was seriously slipping and heating up and this product restored it to proper operation. No chemical can fix mechanical failure, but if you have wear, this might counteract it and extend the useful life of your transmission until you can get it looked at. Our older Dodge Caravan was shifting rough and erratically. After adding 2 treatments it really smoothed out. This made a difference in the transmission shudder almost immediately after adding. Seems like a legitimate product with no issues to indicate otherwise. Number 3. Lubegard 63010 Platinum ATF Protectant. Tired of stocking multiple ATF fluids? This product is the solution. It dramatically reduces friction and wear on your transmission's internal parts. It won't disrupt the crucial sulfur balance in your transmission fluid. This ensures optimal performance and prevents damage. This protectant actively prevents overheating, extending the life of your transmission and keeping it running smoothly. It's completely safe for yellow metals, so you can use it with confidence, knowing it won't cause harm. It inhibits fluid oxidation and foaming, keeping your transmission fluid clean and effective for longer. The patented Synergol TMS technology tightens your shift cycle without sacrificing friction modification at lockup, eliminating shudder. This means fewer fluid changes, saving you time and money in the long run. It protects and restores seals for optimum performance. It conditions and restores seals and O-rings, ensuring a leak-free and efficient transmission. Unlike other products, it's free of harmful components like zinc, ZDDP, ash. This ensures the long-term health of your transmission. It frees stuck valves and keeps them free, ensuring smooth and consistent shifting every time. Experience smoother, more precise shifts with this advanced transmission fluid protectant. It's the ultimate solution for optimal transmission performance. What we like. It's the original universal protectant, eliminating the need for multiple ATF types. If you want to dramatically reduce friction and wear, this is the choice. If you are looking for a product that extends your fluid change intervals and keeps your transmission running smoothly, this is it. What people say. I have a 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS 4-speed. I've noticed a big difference in shift quality and gear hunting. Everything is a lot smoother. Seeing as GM is the new leading name in garbage transmission designs, I can comfortably say this is a game changer. It resolved all shuddering almost instantly. After about 100 miles it smooths out the shifting. Whether you have a low or high mileage car, it is good insurance. Number 2. Seafoam TT16 Transmission Tune. Seafoam TT16 Transmission Tune is a fluid system treatment that helps keep your automatic transmission, hydraulics, or power steering system running smoothly. It's designed to extend the life of your vehicle's fluid systems. It's safe for use in most automatic transmission fluids, hydraulic fluids, and power steering fluids. This includes both conventional and synthetic fluids, making it a versatile option for many vehicles. It effectively dissolves and liquefies harmful gum and varnish buildup, which can negatively impact your vehicle's performance. This helps restore optimal fluid flow. It cleans and lubricates vital components such as valve bodies, shift actuators, and solenoids. This ensures smooth shifting and optimal system operation. It helps control moisture in your fluid system, preventing corrosion and extending the life of your components. This is crucial for maintaining system efficiency. Rest assured, it won't harm seals, gaskets, O-rings, or clutch material. It's formulated to be compatible with various system components. What we like. This additive helps your transmission fluid system work more smoothly and last longer. If you're experiencing gum and varnish buildup, this will help clean and lubricate your system. If you need a safe and effective solution for various fluid types, this is the one. Number 1. Bars Leaks Transmission Repair It. Is your transmission causing trouble? Rough shifting, slipping, or strange noises? It's time for a solution. This premium formula is designed for high-mileage transmissions. It's easy to use and helps restore performance. It effectively seals leaks, reduces slipping, and smooths out rough shifting. Say goodbye to those annoying transmission problems. It helps restore your transmission's performance, saving you money on costly repairs. Get back on the road smoothly and confidently. It's compatible with all types of transmission fluids. Simply add it when topping off or changing your fluid. It acts as a fluid stabilizer, reducing heat and friction for optimal transmission health. Keep your transmission running smoothly for longer. Don't let transmission problems slow you down. It repairs and restores your transmission to peak performance. What we like. This product tackles leaks, slipping, and rough shifting, restoring your transmission's performance. If you're experiencing any of these issues, this additive can help. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution to restore your transmission's health, this is the one for you. What people say. Stop leak in a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Bars Leak Transmission Seal Conditioner works great. Have used it in several of our vintage vehicles. Our 55 Olds transmission no longer leaks. The first time I used BAR's transmission treatment, the improvement was staggering. No slippage and close to perfect shifting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.